So nanonood tayo ng final ng floor exercise sa Paris Olympic na kung saan ay nagko-compete ang ating pambato na si Carlos Yulo. So currently rank 1 siya. May isa pang compete. So titingnan natin. So if ito ay medyo mataas ang score, second siya. If yung last, doon na tayo malalaman natin kung makaka-gold siya. Abangan nyo lang. So ayan na yung naglalaro yung last competitor. So malalaman natin kung makaka-gold nga ba si Carlos Yulo. Cross finger.
Oh no!
So far,
Yan natin ang score kung
sure silver,
hoping for gold. Gold. Go. Gold for Carlos Yulo. Antayin natin. Live na live to. Walang edit. Sana hindi tayo makapiright. Basta, ipapost natin yan after nito. Edit lang natin content. Kailangan walang mamiss. Malalaman natin kung gold nga pala si Carlos Yulo. Ayan. So, hoping. Ang score pala niya is 15. Yan na.
Aren't we all? Kapit lang po tayo, bayan.
Kapit. Gold.
One final score that will determine the schedule of the future.
Nainip na ba kayo? Oh, malapit lang.
Our hopes depend on that final score. In our lifetime, because we have to
Yan na.
the Olympics
And this is a kid we watch grow up. Let's go.
like us.
Hang on, Lindsay. I think we have a gold.
Maybe the safety that we start. It's Pokemon.
Her hands are so cold.
Yes! Gold for Carlos Yulo. Congrats! Yay! Congrats! Wow! Congrats Carlos Yulo. Naiiyak siya, kinikilabutan. Meron pa siya ball cup, pero hindi niya yun. Congrats Team Philippines. Congrats Carlos Yulo.
He had the down. He had the
Diba?
period.
Wala pang ligo si Kat Nils. And second place yung Israel, and third si yung Phil British ba yun, si German. Congratulations sa ating pambato na si Carlos Yulo sa Israel and Great Britain. Maraming salamat. Enjoy watching.